I'm very happy and pleased with United. Their technician Wally and the work crew were very professional, courteous, and knowledgeable. Not only did they do a great job, but they explained everything to me in plain English so I could follow. They also advised me on additional ways to protect my home and for me to save money by being more energy efficient. I would use their service again in a heartbeat, and I would recommend them to anyone. Plus, they offer free estimates. Other businesses I called charged over $100 just to come out. It's a no-brainer. Thanks so much, guys.